Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily change your Chrome profile avatar on your Mac and Windows PC. Do you want to make your Chrome profile truly yours? Well, changing your profile avatar is a simple way to add personality and easily identify different accounts while browsing. In this handsome guide, I'll walk you through the right way to customize your Chrome profile avatar both on your Mac and Windows PCs. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, customizing your avatar makes your browsing experience more fun and organized. That's it, let's get started. So, first off, you have to launch the Chrome app on your Mac or PC. And then you have to hit the menu button located at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you have to select the settings option in the menu. Then you have to ensure that You and Google option is selected in the left sidebar. After that, choose Customize your Chrome profile option. Then you have to choose the preferred Chrome avatar and you're all set. Note that the selected Chrome avatar will come into action right away. That means you won't have to bother about relaunching the browser. You have successfully updated your Chrome profile avatar on your computer, giving your account a fresh and fully personalized appearance. So try out different avatars for each profile to stay perfectly organized and make Chrome feel more like your own. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience. And I'll catch you up in the next one.